industries were sold off, creating a new class of billionaire businessmen with huge political influence, the oligarchs.
The brick became a pattern, repeated over globally, from Latin America all the way to Europe. Best trod soberly, all so sudden. Nothing left but hope for Iraq or South Africa. It's power and hate, not war on terror. Pure apartheid during a Milton era. Reforms are like crack cocaine, and the junkies need a fix. For kicks, the ways of politics, the greed that they can't contain. These are freaks, complain, no one feels your pain. 666, blood-sucking vampires all up in the mix. With basics to build a capitalistic empire. It's no accident where wealth is concentrated. In fact, it's evident how funds are regulated. Just amongst minority currency circulating, whilst the majority seem disorientated. Blame the puppeteers behind the iron curtain. This is for certain, it's been happening for years. Right under your nose, only need to know bases. We sell souls to buy faces that are supposed, like Pinochet or Yeltsin, Ramaphosa to Nelson. Learn a lesson, we can't all be sheeps. Can't be poor for keeps, whose feelings are you nursing? From a frying pan to a slow cook, led by a bunch of lying men, fish catch a hook. A plan from a crook, like a story from a book, told by a government targeting the meek. For real, no experiment, just preying on the weak. Claiming that the market is sick, it needs treatment. Shock is the medicine, doc prescription, though symptoms are barely seen. Follow description. Once was a theory, the first was a debacle. Surviving was a miracle, many were left teary. Public funds looted by the hands of the corporate. Wake up, comrade, for evil here is rooted. Lord have mercy, this is no act of chivalry. It's daylight delivery, a new democracy now. There's an epidemic, real or manufactured. A perfect pandemic for a state that's captured. Bringing panic to families already fractured. Those that are broken, mostly they're unspoken. How can we rationalize this imbalance? It's time to break silence or remain marginalized.